Hidden Treasure presents Miss Nepal 2025 co-sponsor. I am Irina Shrestha, your host for today's event. Today is the day we all have been waiting for. Today we officially introduce you to our 26 incredible finalists of the Hidden Treasure presents Miss Nepal 2025. As we prepare to begin with SAS ceremony, let us take a moment to welcome all our special guests, all our sponsors. Thank you so much everyone for being here today, and it's an absolute honor to have you all here. Talking about our platform, Anupriya,
Hello everyone, this is your contestant number 6. My name is Anupriya Thakur, a 22 years old business student and a proud daughter of Janakpur Dham. Deeply rooted in heritage and driven by purpose, I aspire to be a voice for change.
Anuradha,
मिथिला स्कूल में आप लोग का स्वागत है। अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें, लाइक जरूर करें और बेल आइकन जरूर दबाएं।